Alright, I'm going to go over just some basics on the responsive template. So basically responsive just means that when I resize the browser, the site will resize automatically, which makes it available for mobile to desktops. And the style sheet that actually controls that is, I have my files open. If we go into our HTML files, we go under CSS, there's going to be a style sheet called responsive.css. And that's basically what handles all of the responsive abilities. So if you wanted to actually remove that, the responsive ability, for whatever reason, you can just delete it from the header area, that specific style sheet. I'm going to go ahead and leave it in for now. But if we open that up, I'll just go over the basic layout of how everything is set up. So there's basically 6 different commented areas for you to kind of explain how everything's set up. So everything from 2 desktop styles to a tablet, and then the mobiles, sites. And basically the main things are just resizing and then resizing the grid. You'll notice default grid, and then there's a couple miscellaneous adjustments as well as we go down, and you can just look over those. They're pretty basic. So one thing I wanted to go over was at the very top there's a section called testing text, and if we remove the display none right there and then save it, we can refresh our page and it displays this test text. And the cool thing about that is that if you're trying to figure out one of those miscellaneous styles or anything in general, some sort of alignment on a specific size, you'll see the reference to that size right here in the testing text. So for instance, we go 959 to 1140, and that is right here, 959 to 1140. So it just makes it easier for you to figure out which size you're actually editing. And then if you want to just remove that text, you can just do display none, important, like it was before, and the text will disappear. So it's just a little trick to help you when you're editing the responsive styles. Let's see. Yeah, and that's basically the main things to go over with the responsive ability.